Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we have an unboxing to do. So I received my Allure beauty box. I don't really see anybody on YouTube unboxing these. I mean, I don't know why. I personally like this subscription. I kind of prefer this subscription versus Ipsy, but I've been kind of strung on with Ipsy for so long that it hasn't done me really wrong at Sephora Play, so that's why I'm still keeping it. Now for this subscription, it is $16 a month. Sometimes you get full-size products, sometimes you don't. It is really a mix and match. It has also mix and match of high-end products and smaller brand products that I haven't heard of, and I feel like the products are very unique as well. You get a mixture of makeup, skincare, kind of like Ipsy, but the sample sizes are much better with Allure versus Ipsy. So not only do I like the little packaging that it comes in, because I actually use these boxes to store my makeup, especially since once I do move, I am going to switch my setup, like the whole vanity set that I have going on, and these are going to fit perfectly in the drawer. So that's why I'm glad I'm receiving these little cardboard boxes. So for the first item that I see here, it kind of does look like it's full size. It's from Dr. Botanicals, and it is a rescue butter. Sounds like it's a lotion. Okay, so it is a thick balm that you can use all over your face, hands, elbows, knees, and cracked heels. It has a blend of coconut oil, lemongrass oil, antioxidants, and keeps skin from drying out. So basically a hand lotion. I don't think I'm going to use this for my face. It sounds pretty thick. And this retails for $14.90. Now before I forget, this box also comes with different variations of sizes. This seems like it's a full-size product, and it has 6 products in the box. Ooh, the packaging is cute. Oh yeah, that's definitely up my alley. So I am going to get use out of this with any type of lotion. My husband, or my son can use it, so it's definitely not going to go to waste. Now for the next item that we have here is from the brand Floss, and it is a lip gloss in the shade Lax. Ooh, this is a pretty shade. So I'm tempted to keep this. I'm going to put this on the maybe pile just because I think I'm running low on 2 of my lip glosses that I have of this shade. So if I am, I'm gonna keep it. Now this product is full size as well, and it retails for $16. Now the next item that we have here is from the brand Rituals, and it is a foaming shower gel. And reading the information, the full size retails, is it the full size? The full size retails for $9.50, and the full size is 8 point, I can't see. I think it's 8.7 fluid ounces, and this one right here is 1.6 fluid ounces, so it's about maybe like $1.50 or something like that. But people have also used this as a shaving cream, so this is definitely going to be interesting to try out. Alright, so the next makeup item that we have here that seems that it's full size as well is this Rodeo Glamo Lash Mascara, extra large. And just by looking at the picture of the mascara, I'm not gonna like it. It's not waterproof, so what I am gonna do is add this to the giveaway that I have going on my Ipsy and Birchbox video, which I'm gonna link in the cards. So if you guys want to enter that giveaway, then definitely click the link so that way you guys can know what are the rules for that giveaway. And this mascara retails for $28. Now going into some skincare. So this brand Mamodi, guys, you already know that I cannot pronounce things, but this seems like it is a Korean brand, and it is a recovery serum. Yeah, so it's just basically a serum for your skin. The full size retails for $40, and I feel like this is a good little small travel size, so I am gonna keep it just so I can give it a try. Now for the last item that we have here is this Ceramide Firming Mask. I go through masks quite a lot. I actually only have like about 3 or 4 left. So this is a good timing that I received one, and that retails for $3. So that box was not a really bad box to receive for only $16 a month. I really enjoy receiving that. I'll leave the information down below if you guys want to sign up for the Allure beauty box, and as well if you guys want to enter the giveaway that I have going on my previous video, which is the Birchbox versus Ipsy. So go check out that video if you guys want to enter. I do thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.